channel. This is the Work at Home Boss, and I'm back with another job opportunity. Okay, so these opportunities are with Omni Interactions. They're actually a work from home platform, and they have so many jobs that you can choose from. They have customer service, they have tax support, they have financial services, insurance sales, retail support, and also healthcare patient support. So for this company, I clicked on customer service. So for the customer service role, it's perfect for contractors seeking to prioritize exceptional customer service and foster unwavering brand loyalty. So the technical requirements would be technology skill levels is very low, so you don't need any technology skills. No, it could be low to none. All right. So you need a Windows 10 or Windows 11, and the Windows need to be genuine license copy, hardwired connection, no wireless. So Wi-Fi will not work. It has to be hardwired. You need a minimum of 10 megabytes per second download and 5 upload hardwired USB headset with phone quality audio. So basically, these technical requirements would be for any of the positions that you would want to work. Okay, so let's go. So basically, with them, you just come to the website, which is omniinteractions.com, and you would register. Okay. So once you register, you'll be able to work from home. You'll be able to set your own schedule, and you will definitely be your own boss. All right. So you're expected to take 30 to 45 minutes to complete the application and assessment. So you fill out the application, you do the assessment, and they basically will match you with a position that fits your personality. Um, and they also have the available opportunities. So you have work from home customer service rep in the US. They also have Spanish bilingual customer service rep in the US. They also have positions in Guatemala and the Philippines as well. So if you're interested, they have so many things you can choose from. If you're solely customer service, if you're someone who works as a tax preparer, like during that time of the year, you can also get a position working for tax support. You have financial services, so that could be with banks. If you previously worked for a bank and you want to start working the brick and mortar and you would rather work from home, they do have financial services work from home. If you specialize in insurance, they have insurance sales opportunities, retail support, and also healthcare patient support. So if you are a person that's always worked in healthcare and you're trying to get out of the regular 9 to 5, the brick and mortar, going to a hospital or a clinic, because we have some crazy diseases that's coming about, and some people really don't want to be face to face with it. So if you would rather work from home, listen, I say go for it. Working from home is the best. All right. So basically, this is the website. So you just come on the website, you register, you take the test, and you do the application, and they'll let you know what they're hiring for. And I say just go for it, you guys. Apply for it, okay? So if you're interested in this opportunity, then I will link the website in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a job opportunity. And guys, I'm also going to be posting, I'm going to make up a resume template for people who have an issue with creating a resume. Basically, with this template, you just fill in the information, and it's quick and it's easy. I know resumes are like, when people say, oh, well, I need your resume. And some people are like, oh my God, I don't have a resume. I don't know how to write a resume. Like, it's the most dreaded task ever. So I'm going to create a template for you guys, and I'll be posting that as well in my future videos once I get it created. And also, I'll be posting a link to an ebook that I have. If you're someone who wants to, if you're into juicing and you're looking for juicing recipes and you're looking for things that you can juice for any ailment that you may have, some of you may have high blood pressure, you may be diabetic, you may have inflammation. I have recipes for those. So I'm going to put the link in the bio as well. If you all could go and check that out, I will be forever grateful. And again, thank you so much for tuning in. And Boss is out.